alla Gricia is one of the 4 classic Roman pastas. The other 3 are in the description to this video, and it is world famous for very good reason. It's got an exquisite flavor, and as I'm about to demonstrate, it's quite easy to prepare. One of the things I love about this dish is, as you can see, there are very few ingredients. Now, the star of the show is the guanciale. That's the jowl of the pig. It's tough to find in the United States, and there's a lot of chefs who say you can substitute pancetta or other types of cured pork, and that just goes to show you can't believe everything you read on the worldwide interweb. Okay, first step, in a dry pan, no olive oil, add your guanciale. You don't need olive oil. The fat rendered from the guanciale is going to do the trick, and you don't need the flavor from the olive oil. Probably the only time you'll ever hear me say that. Okay, here's how we look after about 4.5 minutes. You can see the fat's rendering. I've got it cooking on a low heat. That's going to allow them to stay soft in the middle and crisp on the outside. Okay, these guys come out. Okay, our water's at a boil. I'm gonna salt it. I'm gonna taste that water for seasoning. Actually needs a bit more salt. In goes our rigatoni. Okay, while our pasta's cooking, we're gonna heat that oil back up. We're gonna add our cracked pepper, and we're gonna let it bloom. So you're gonna see it's gonna start to foam. When it foams, you'll know that it's done. We are also going to set aside a little over a cup of pasta water, which we'll use in our sauce a bit later. Okay, when the pasta is very al dente, pre-al dente, you're gonna move it into the pan with the pepper and the guanciale fat, and you'll let the pasta finish cooking with the pepper. We're gonna add our guanciale back into the pasta. Okay, with the pasta water that we set aside, it's cooled down a little bit, so we're gonna add it just a little bit in a few batches to our cheese, and we're gonna create a little bit of a cheese paste. If the water's too hot, it will break this pecorino and you'll get a very stringy cheese mess. You won't have a good paste. It needs just a little bit more. You can see it's kind of got like the consistency of ricotta cheese. It's a pecorino paste. Okay, now it's going in here. Okay, with the pasta off the heat, you're gonna add in that pecorino paste and quickly incorporate it. Keep moving it around. If the pan flip is in your arsenal, now is an excellent time to use it. You can give it a bit more of that pasta water. This looks pretty much perfect. The Roman classic, Rigatoni alla Gricia. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, now is an excellent time to hit that subscribe button. That is the best way for you to support this channel. Good luck in the kitchen, bon appetit. This looks outrageously good.
I think he likes it.
Oh my God. And that just goes to show you can't believe everything you read on the worldwide interweb.